Hello, today we're going to learn how to draw an object in real life. So first, choose the object you want to draw. For this step, I suggest something simple, just for the exercise. As you can see, I chose a Rubik's Cube. Find an angle you like and don't move from there. Imagine you're going to take a picture with your eyes. Once we have our angle, we're going to find our axis or center lines. The difference in drawing from a picture or from a real object is that these lines will be in our mind. To make this easier, you can use your pencil or fingers. Keep in mind we are trying to find the center of the object for now, and the more we practice visualizing objects this way, it will be more automatic. Another trick is to find key points, so we know where our lines are. For example, I know mine will be connected by these key points. Remember, don't move, or you will lose them and we'll have to start again. Now that we have our mental lines, we can start to find the shapes in our object. By this point, you should have a cross in your paper, marking the center of where the center of your drawing will be. Try to make these lines super soft, so they can be erased easily later without leaving any marks. Start by finding one line at a time. Choose the ones that stick out and are close to your center. One way to get the angle of a line is using your pencil to compare it to your axis. Do this as many times as you need, and remember to use soft lines to make as many corrections as you need. It is very important to understand that drawing requires a lot of observing skills, so that is what we are doing here. Take your time and be patient. Do the big and obvious first. We don't want details stealing our attention away. When you finish, try changing the object's position, or try to look at it from a different perspective. Make at least 3 different angles and you'll start to notice how it starts to get more natural. That is because your brain is adjusting to this new way of looking at things. Increase the difficulty by adding objects or by choosing more challenging items. Here are some examples you can try, but any objects you have at home are good to use. Combine them, change angles, and you'll see that 2 or 3 items will give you many possibilities. Remember, practice makes perfect, so the limit is what you choose it to be. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And see you next time.